Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD, and as we all know that there is not much movement on the chart. Yesterday we were hoping that during the PPI and FOMC there would be some movement, but unexpectedly there was none. And we can see the market gold is still trading in a narrow range. If you look at a chart of DXY also, then DXY is also telling us the same story. Silence before the storm. Tufan se pehle ka sannata. So what is a tufan? What is a storm? And the storm is CPI. Okay, CPI will be very crucial. The whole world will be watching today's CPI, and today we can expect some move at least. Okay. And if you look at the bond chart, then also we can see that bond chart is also silent. The whole market is silent right now, and hopefully we will get a proper direction after the CPI. Okay, so today's event will be very important. And as you can see that gold is standing at 1669. My dear friends, I do not want to repeat the same stuff that I have been discussing for the last 2 days, because overall we do not see any huge change on the market. So more or less levels are still the same. So if you want a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on yesterday and day before yesterday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff again and again. Okay, so right now 1660 to 1655, sorry, 1658. 1660 to 1658 is still a very crucial support for the market. It will be playing a very important role before the news. Keep in mind, it will play a very important role before the news. During the day, if market comes down to this level, we can expect the market to bounce. Yesterday 1666, 1666 was playing a temporary support role. Okay, it was playing the role of a temporary support, but my dear friend, respect your hard-earned money. Do not trust levels like 1666. If you really love your hard-earned money, if you really love your capital, then you should only be trading on levels that deserve your hard-earned money. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. So today, before the news, if market comes to 1660, 1658, we can expect a buy position. Once market comes down to this level, observe the market. Okay, observe the market. And in this situation, as we do not have much volatility, in this situation, if you see market taking support around 1660, 1661, if you see market taking support by showing price rejection from below hammer kind of a pattern, you will get a confirmation that okay, 1661, 1660 is still acting as a support, and you can definitely go for a buy position. Okay, but during the CPI, in case there is a heavy volatility, and if market breaks 1660 to 1658, because as I have been saying, this level will be important before the news only. During the news, 1660 may not be able to hold the market. After all, you must understand that not all the levels are same. Okay, all the levels do not have the same amount of strength. All the levels differ. So during the news, during CPI, if market breaks 1658 and if you see heavy selling in the market, then you can go for a sell position, and your next target will be 1644 to 1640. At least you can expect a profit of 70 to 80 pips, because we do not have any immediate support below 1658. Okay. So in my opinion, 1660, 1661, 1659 will play a crucial role for the market. Okay, in my opinion, I can be wrong as well. That's why I always say in my videos that please follow your own risk management. After all, it's your hard-earned money, and no trader is 100% accurate. So I can be wrong as well, isn't it? And to be honest, in this market condition, okay, in this market condition, I do not see any proper resistance on the chart. I do not see any proper resistance. In case we see market going up from this current market position here, in case we see market going up, I think there can be some selling pressure around 1680 to 81. okay, and then we can expect some selling around 1688. Okay, why we are considering these two levels? We are considering these two levels because of this price rejection previously and the 200 moving average, the red line. Okay, again I will be saying the same thing. These two levels are not very trustworthy because right now we do not see any proper resistance on the chart of gold. Okay, 1688, 1690 can be one level, but right now it's better to avoid only. Okay, let's wait and watch how the market reacts. Keep your one eye on the chart of level of 1660, 1661. If market bounces before the news, we can go for a buy. If market breaks it after the news due to heavy selling, if you see market breaking the level with good amount of red candles, okay, it means market has the participation of traders and you can go for a sell position. And in case market starts going up from here, observe the market around 1680 to 81. If there is not much volatility in the market is very slow, in that case you can expect the market to reverse, but please get the confirmation first. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. So how to get the confirmation? Once you see market struggling around 1680 to 81, price being rejected from above, okay, then only take a sell position. In case market breaks it, then you need to keep your eyes on 1688 to 1690. We are considering this because of the 200 moving average, and maybe this previous price rejection kind of support now to act as resistance. Okay, this is my theory. Okay, so this is the whole picture right now. Again, I'll show you the chart of DXY. DXY is silent, totally silent. Okay, maybe it's waiting for CPI, because as I have already mentioned that today's CPI will be very, very important, and bond, US 10-year bond is also telling us the same story. Okay, so let's wait and watch how the market reacts during the CPI. And please, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. And beginners, new traders, in case of heavy volatility, please do not enter during the event. After all, see, you are beginner. Okay, you can open the chart, you can observe the market, but taking a position during the high volatile period can be very, very risky for your capital as well, especially traders who are trading with a capital size of $50, $100. Okay, so you should be avoiding market in this type of condition. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.